Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. Okay, here is a wooden stamp lot. This is what I've gotten so far. I don't think I'm gonna have any more. Maybe later on down the line I may, and this is all I could fit in this priority mail flat rate. What do you call this? The one with the, you know what I mean, this one. Flat rate, priority mail, padded envelope. I mean, I've got it like stuffed right to where I can get it closed. I don't know if I could fit any more in there. So this is gonna be, the shipping is, I think it's $7 and $7.25. So keep in mind it's $7.25 for shipping. So let me just show you how much of what they are. Okay, here's the first one. Christmas. This is a $4 and something stamp on clearance. Alright, butterfly, cute. This is a smile, finest smile ever. Another Christmas. Here's a butterfly. Here is a bigger stamp, big as my hand. I've used it a few times. Okay, this is my favorite stamp. I really didn't want to get rid of this one, but I just got to. This is bigger than this one. Let's see. There we go. And look at it, it's so cute. It's got these teeny flowers and all these little butterflies. They're so cute. I think I've used it a couple of times. Okay, then I have two Stampin' Up. Oh wait, here's another wedding. Then I have two Stampin' Up sets. Okay, so it's got all of these little images. Never been used that I can tell. I know I haven't used it. It's called Tags and More. 2001. And then this one, as I explained on my other videos about these, this one is this set. However, it's missing a couple of the stamps. If I can open it here. These are the stamps that are in here. Okay. Wow, these are little ones that just don't want to stand up. Okay. Alright, here are the stamps that are in the box. Okay. Sorry for the glare. Alright, the ones that are missing is this one and this one. Two of the probably most important ones. I have no idea. I bought it like this. I had no idea what the set was. I just thought, you know, I liked the leaves and all the little twirly things. So, but this comes with all of these. So you got 2 Stampin' Ups and 2 giant ones. I'm trying to figure out how much to ask for it. I mean, I can't remember. Oh, I didn't do it as a lot the last time. The last time I sold them individually. It'd be a lot more if I did it individually, but as a lot, and because I can stuff it all in this envelope, and it's $7.20, so I'll just say $20 shipped. So we'll just do it that way. $20 shipped. Let me know if you're interested. US only shipping, PayPal only, friends and family, and just let me know. I had one customer that seemed very interested in them, so to you, you know who you are. Here are the stamps. Let me know if you're interested, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.